Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to add your phone number to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can update your contact info quickly and easily with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access your pages. Now, find and select the page where you want to add your phone number. Once you're on your page, look for the About section. You'll usually find this option in the menu on the left side, but with the new update, it might be right under your page's cover photo or in the main navigation bar. Click on About to continue. In the About section, scroll down until you see Contact and Basic Info. This is where all your page's contact details are stored. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Phone Number. Click on it, and a new field will appear. Now, type in your phone number. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. This is important because it's how people can reach out to your business or page directly. Once you're sure the number is correct, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your phone number is now added to your Facebook page. Anyone who visits your page will be able to see your updated contact information, making it even easier for them to connect with you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on updating your social media pages. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.